Brainstorming with Jade Steffens is sponsored by Crumble Cookies.
And it is now time to brainstorm. Today's question is from Jacob, who is 12 years old. He goes to Mark Twain Elementary and is in 6th grade. Jacob wants to know what happens when a warm front meets a cold front. Well, this is a really good question because that's exactly what's happening right now. Remember yesterday we were in the 80s. Now the cold front has moved through. Temperatures will be much colder today. So let's get to it. Fronts are defined by the change in temperature that they bring into an area. So with a cold front, we have cold air replacing warm air. Warm front replaces cold air with warm air. So as we've learned, air in a cold front is much more dense than the air in a warm front. And because of this, when there's a cold front moving towards the warm front, the cold air will sink and form sort of a wedge, as you can see here, and the warm air is forced upwards. As the air particles condense and move up, this usually results in precipitation and thunderstorms along the cold front, which is what happened this morning and last night. A warm front, though, is a little bit different. This moves into a cold area, and the same thing happens as the warm air pushes the cold air out. This can also produce storms as the warm air rises over the cold air, but as you can see here, the upward lift is a little bit more gradual, and that makes the rainfall or storms typically less intense than when you see a cold front. So a quick check of the maps that we've seen the past couple of days. This was taken yesterday. As you can see here, here's the warm front and the cold front just making it into our area. The yellow is the thunderstorms, green right here is the rain. So yesterday the cold front was just heading into our area. Now this is a look at today. Cold front has made its way through. Again, thunderstorms are a little bit towards the southeast, but we can see that the cold front has passed through the area, and that's left us with much colder air for these next few days. So thank you so much for that question. And for every brainstorming question answered, Crumble Cookies is giving away a certificate for a 4-pack of their cookies. So congratulations to Jacob for being our lucky winner today. If you want to be like Jacob and win some cookies, send in your questions to weather@kq2.com. Include your name, age, school, and a photo if you'd like. Get your parents' permission and send in your questions.